Hello everyone and welcome to this new session. Today you will learn how to download the boundary map for any country in the world. Not only the outside boundaries like these ones here for the country, but also all the internal administrative areas as you can see here for different cities within the country. I'll try to explain this using 3 different methods from 3 different websites to help you in fact to download your data so that if one of the websites hasn't worked for you, you can try the other one and so on. Okay, so let's start. The first website is the Humanitarian Data Exchange, and also we can download data from the GeoBoundaries, and finally we can download the data from the DivaGIS website. Of course, all of these websites are free. So let's start with the first method, guys, from the first website, which is the Humanitarian Data Exchange. This is the website here, if you would like to see it in a good and clear way. So this is the website. So the Humanitarian Data Exchange. So to get your data from here, this is a very simple website as you can see. Just write down the name of the country here within this box. Okay. For example, if I would like to download some data for Syria, for example, I will write down here Syria, as you can see. Now this is the country of my interest. After that, click here to search for the data. Once you click here, you would be transferred to this web page. From here, just if you look here, guys, to the left, you need to tick the administrative divisions. This one here. This is very important. You need to tick this one here, the administrative divisions, to get your data. So I will check this box here now, guys. So this has been checked, and now I will select my data. For my case, I'm interested in downloading the shapefile. This is here, SHP. For the shapefile, so that I can use this data with ArcGIS software, for example. If you need any other format, you can just from here select the format that you like. So now let's see. So after you select the data type, guys, just scroll down. You will get the country map, and then this is the important thing for us here. We can download our data from here. It says, if you read here, Syria Administrative Divisions Shapefiles. This is a zipped file. You need to extract this file after you download it. Just simply click download here to download your data. Okay, this is very simply the first method. However, I need to mention here that this method sometimes for some countries, especially the European countries, it will not work. Okay, for some reason. So for example, I tried Spain here. And then when you click search, you would be transferred, as I mentioned, to this web page. And then here, if we have a close look here to the left, we need to tick, as I mentioned, the administrative divisions. When you go here, as you can see here, guys, this is inactive. So you cannot tick this box. Okay, if you try to tick this box here, it will not work. So this will not work for this case. And as you can see here, this is 0 data. So we don't have any file for this country. So because of that, we are going to use a different website to download the data for the countries that you cannot get from this website. So this will lead us to go to method 2, which is downloading the boundary maps from this website, which is GeoBoundaries. So this is the website here, GeoBoundaries. So go to this website, geoboundaries.org, and then scroll down, guys. You would see this here, download GeoBoundaries data. And you will have all the countries here. So you can search, you have the name here, guys. You can search here, for example, write down the name of the country that you are interested in, and then do your search to get the data. For example, if I'm interested in downloading the data for the United Kingdom, for example, I will write down here, United Kingdom, this one. Now I have all the data files for the United Kingdom administrative areas. I have in this case 4 files, administrative 0, administrative 1, 2, and 3. Very simply, to download these files, you will click download for each one of them. From here, to download the first file, to download the second one, download the third one, and the last one. Here I have 4 files for 4 levels of administrative areas for the UK. Okay, this is very simply the second method. Now the third method, guys, is downloading the data from DivaGIS website. This is the website here. After you go to the website, guys, divagis.org, you need to go to free spatial data here and click here. so free spatial data, and then you need to select the country. You will have this page. You have to select the country of your interest. For example, if I'm interested in the UK, I will click here on the UK, and then you would have the United Kingdom in the box here, and then on the subject you need to select the administrative areas. Here guys, you need to select administrative areas because there would be different kinds of data to download. For example, we have administrative areas that we are interested in for now, but however, it's good to mention that you can download from here also roads, railways, elevations, land cover, etc. You can download different kinds of data for any country as well if you are interested in that. This is your country, this is your data that you need, which is administrative areas, and then just click download to download the data, and then it would be zipped file. You need to extract this. I would like to mention here guys that you might not be able to download the data for some reason. I don't know why. Sometimes this will not work. However, because of that, I provided you with 3 different methods from 3 different websites. So if this doesn't work for you, you can use the other 2 methods. Okay guys, so these are the 3 methods for downloading the data, the boundary maps and administrative areas for free, of course. Now let me just, for example, go to one of these websites and then download some data for a country, and then trying to display this kind of data using a software, and I will use ArcGIS. Okay, now I open Google, for example, and then I will search for GeoBoundaries, let's say, .org to see. So this is the GeoBoundaries website. So let's go there and then scroll down as I mentioned, and then you would have here the data for all the countries guys. Here, just if you scroll down, you would see different countries here. So South Sudan, Uganda, etc., Zambia, etc. So here, for example, if I would like to download the data for Spain, so here we go. Here we have the data here down. We have 4 different levels of the administrative areas. I'm going to download them, and then I will extract the folders so that we can display them. So this is the first one. Okay, the second one. So I have them all here, as you can see here down guys. These are my folders that I downloaded. All of them are zipped, so I need to extract them. So they are all downloaded now. Let's go to the folder for extracting them. Now these are the 4 folders that I have downloaded. Let's extract them guys. I have extracted all of them. Now I have 4 folders. These are the extracted folders. Let's open one of them. Now this is the data available here for the first level of the administrative areas. This is just the outside border. So let's now open the software ArcGIS so that we can display this kind of data. Here we go. So this is the software. I will try now to get the data here. So just I will get them here. Okay, so let's see here. So I have the data, so I don't need this image for now. Just I will remove it, and I will remove this one. For example, I will keep this one. This is the outside boundaries, as you can see, of Spain. So let's now get the data for level 1. This is called administrative 0. So this is level 0. So let's return here. Go to level 1 here, get the data, and then here add to here. This is the data. Let me do the same here. Let me remove this one because I don't need it for now. Now look at this now. Here we have some more details for the main areas in Spain, for example. Now let's get the other level. So here we have more details. So this is guys how to download and how to display the data. Now of course guys, for each one here you can get more details. For example, if you open the attribute table here, you would be able to see all the names of the areas. For example, here you can see Barcelona, and let's go down there. This is Cordoba here, as you can see. So it's not just the map, and also some more details, more information about the different kinds of maps here. If I open this, for example, this is Andalusia here down. Okay, you can see the big area that includes Granada, that includes some other areas, as you can see here. And of course guys, if you are interested in displaying the names for these areas, Very simply, go to the properties of the layer and then go to the labels and then tick this box, label feature in this layer. Make sure here the label field is the shape name, which is the area name in our case, and then apply. Then of course you can change the color, apply OK. So now we have the names of these areas here. If you go down here, just for example, to see, so this is Sevilla, Cordoba, Jayan, and you have all the names of the cities or areas within the country. Okay guys, I hope that this session was useful to you. Thank you very much and I will see you soon. Take care.